An Amazon business account is a special type of account on Amazon that's designed for businesses, organizations, and professionals. It's a way for them to buy products and supplies they need for their work or operations. The benefits of having an Amazon business account are: bulk ordering. Businesses often need to buy things in larger quantities. With an Amazon business account, they can order items in bulk, which might come with discounts or special pricing. Business-only pricing. Some items might be available at lower prices for business accounts, so it can help organizations save money. Multi-user accounts. In a business, different people might be responsible for purchasing different things. An Amazon business account lets the company have multiple users with different roles, but all under the same account. Tax exemption. Many businesses are exempt from certain taxes. Amazon Business lets eligible organizations set up tax-exempt purchasing to save on taxes. Detailed analytics. Businesses can track their spending and purchasing patterns using Amazon Business's analytics tools. This can help them manage their expenses better. Flexible payment options. Amazon Business offers various payment options, like credit lines and invoicing, which can make it easier for companies to manage their cash flow. Streamlined purchasing. The account provides tools for creating lists, comparing products, and finding items relevant to the business's needs. Access to business-only products. Some products are exclusively available to business accounts, offering a wider range of options. In simple terms, Amazon Business is like a special shopping account for companies and groups. It gives them benefits like discounts, organized purchasing, and helpful tools that regular Amazon accounts don't have. It's designed to make buying things for a business or organization smoother and more efficient.